नमस्कार, सक्षम न्यूज़ इंडिया के यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि आप पा सकें हमारे चैनल सक्षम न्यूज़ इंडिया की ताज़ा खबरें। धन्यवाद।
बैंक ऑफ इंडिया की मिड कॉर्पोरेट अंधेरी शाखा का उद्घाटन बैंक के प्रबंधक निदेशक व मुख्य कार्यकारी अधिकारी राजकिरण रैजी के हाथों संपन्न हुआ। इस दौरान क्षेत्रीय कार्यकारी निर्देशक राजकमल वर्मा, क्षेत्र महाप्रबंधक डॉक्टर KL राजू, केंद्रीय मिड कॉर्पोरेट के महाप्रबंधक सत्यनारायण पादुरी, आमेंद्र कुमार, क्षेत्र प्रमुख मुंबई और ब्रांच प्रमुख राजेश कुमार समेत कई गणमान्य उपस्थित थे।
Very proud that this bank 100 years back was opened and blessed by Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhi ji, who came and opened our MS Marg office, which is still there, and completing 100 years is a great achievement for any organization, more so for a bank to survive through these 100 years of turmoil, economic upheavals. And today we are very proud that we are the fifth largest nationalized bank. And this has been achieved by the great unionites. We call our staff unionites. Over a period of 100 years, we have moved particularly on the technology side very strongly, and that has helped us. And our excellent customer service always helped us to achieve this goal. Today, we have crossed 7 lakh crores of business in the 100th year, and we feel very proud of it.
And what to yet achieve in coming years?
This is a journey. There is no end actually. Now you know that banking industry is going through a turmoil because of several issues. Union Bank is doing well. We have steadily come out of problems now. We hope that the coming year 1920 will be a great year for the banking industry and more so for Union Bank of India. The profitability is the main target now. Along with the customer service and also to reach the needy people, and the opening of mid-corporate branches also is a strategy, because one of the reasons why banks face a problem is on the credit side, both on the sanction and monitoring. So we have created separate verticals with centralized processing so that quality of assessment improves. At the same time, we are more in touch with the customers, so we will be able to identify the stress more quickly and take action whenever it is required.
So as you said, right now you know banking industry went through a difficult or a rough time, if I'm not wrong. Do you feel responsible? Feel somewhere down the line the demonetization is the responsible thing for it?
No, this problem was much before. Actually, see what had happened is particularly the banks have taken large exposure on the infrastructure and several other investments, which were nationally very important. But then because of certain issues. What we call the policy paralysis, and then the legal issues which cropped up, cancellation of mining licenses, not getting clearances, all this compounded the problem. So economy goes through these cycles, and we were also going through that. So it has started. I think the customer service is a differentiating factor, plus adapting, because because the banking industry went through changes. Particularly the last change was in the technology. I think Union Bank was one of the first public sector bank to adopt to core banking very quickly, and that is a strength. Adaptability is the strength. Even the changes what we are doing now, opening this mid corporate and all that, we are preparing ourselves for the next changes which are likely to come, particularly from the customer side. So we are creating all these structures with that purpose.
So what is next for?
We have created a separate marketing vertical. We have created a separate vertical for MSME. We have created one vertical for mid corporate branches. So we try to reach out to all segments of customers. Ultimately, the idea is to provide the best customer service in the quickest possible time, and at the same time maintain the profitability of the. Definitely yes, actually my field is very active. This was an existing branch which we shifted to a more comfortable place now. We have opened 24 mid-corporate branches in the last 7-8 months across the country. These are actually places where the large corporate doesn't have a potential. In Mumbai anyway, we have the large corporate, so at the second level we are opening. But many of the cities, there is no corporate credit branches. So those cities we have opened mid-corporate branches. So there is a great potential. So cities where the large corporate may not be viable, but mid-corporate is viable. So we are mostly eyeing tier 2, tier 3 cities. But in Mumbai we have large business. So definitely these customers who are at different places, we are trying to bring them together. The all Western Mumbai customers,
The rural sector of the economy. So apart from the corporate, we are looking to that also. We are also participating in the new platform that the government has launched. So in fact, we are covering the entire spectrum of customers that are